My dear students, in this video, let's look at the multiplication table of 3. So, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 10 is 30. So, let me show you some techniques. So, if you look at the table or the multiplication table of 1, we know that 1 times 3 is going to give us the answer 3. So 3 times 1 is also 3. Now look over here. We had learned in previous video that in 2's table, 2 times 3 is 6. So guess what? 3 times 2 is also 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So if I go to the multiplication table of 4, 4 times 3 is also going to give me the answer 12. This answer is not going to change, it's interchangeable. So 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is also going to give me the answer 12. So now what about 3 times 5? It's 15. So what is 5 times 3? That is also going to be 15. Now let me look at the multiplication table of 4. So I know 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Why? Because 1 times 4 is also 4. What about 4 times 2? I know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Why? Because 2 times 4 is 8. Now guess what? What is 4 times 3? It's going to be 12. Why? Because 3 times 4 is also 12. So in the multiplication table of 4, I already reached up till the digit 3. I know 4 times 1 is 4. I know that 4 times 2 is 8. And I know that the 4 times 3 is 12. So when I go to the next number, then 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. And then when I go to 5's table, I get the answer about till 5 times 4 equals 20. Let me show you how. So if I go to 5's table, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 because 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. And guess what? 5 times 4 equals 20. So in 5's table, I already know now 5, 10, 15, 20. I already know this, right? So this is an example I wanted to show you guys to memorize the multiplication tables without any mistakes.